Ever wondered how to create hundreds of viral quiz videos in minutes? Well, you're not alone. In our digital world, viral quiz videos have taken center stage. They're fun, they're engaging, they're shareable. But let's be honest, they can also be a bit of a pain to produce, right? Enter TubeTrivia AI, the world's first and only AI viral video quiz builder. Imagine being able to turn a single keyword into hundreds of highly engaging viral quiz videos in just minutes. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. TubeTrivia AI uses a unique 3E formula: engage, excite, explode, to generate quizzes automatically with AI. This tool is all about making the process of creating viral quiz videos as easy and as efficient as possible. If you're intrigued, stick around as we unravel the magic of TubeTrivia AI. Say hello to TubeTrivia AI, the world's first and only AI viral video quiz builder. This game changer has the power to turn a single keyword into hundreds of highly engaging viral quiz videos in just minutes. And that's not all. With TubeTrivia AI, you can create different types of quizzes, from multiple choice to this or that quizzes, making your content diverse and engaging. The ease of use is unmatched, with a simple editor that allows customization of every element from design, fonts, colors, backgrounds, and more. Coupled with an AI-powered image generator and one-click voiceover edition, your quiz videos are bound to stand out. And the best part? You can export your videos instantly, for use anywhere you want. With TubeTrivia AI, you're not just creating videos, you're crafting engaging experiences. Now, how can you harness the power of TubeTrivia AI? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, it all starts with a keyword. Just type in a topic that tickles your fancy and let TubeTrivia AI do its magic. With our unique 3E formula, engage, excite, explode, the system generates hundreds of viral quiz ideas tailored just for you. It's like having your very own brainstorming session, but without the coffee jitters. Moving on to step 2, where the real fun begins. Dive into our vast library of professional, high-quality video quiz templates, and don't worry, we've got something for everyone. Whether you're into minimalist chic or bold and vibrant, we've got you covered. And the best part? You can customize everything. From color and font to background and video clips, it's your vision. We're just here to bring it to life. Finally, step 3, the home stretch. Now that you've created a quiz video that's uniquely yours, it's time to share it with the world. Publish your video directly to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or anywhere else you want. Sit back, relax, and watch as the traffic and followers start pouring in around the clock. And just like that, you've created your first viral quiz video. Easy, wasn't it? Now that you've seen how easy it is to create viral quiz videos with TubeTrivia AI, what's stopping you? It's time to tap into this unique opportunity and ride the wave of viral content. Imagine the possibilities when you have the power to create hundreds of engaging quiz videos in mere minutes. This is your chance to captivate your audience and skyrocket your online presence. Check the link in the description to learn more about TubeTrivia AI and start your journey towards creating engaging viral content today.